welcome. Today we're going to make chicken crescent rolls for dinner. So what we do first is I had two really large chicken breasts that I just boiled on the stove until it came to an internal temperature of 165. And so I'm going to grab those out of our chicken stock now, and we're going to shred those first. But let me go through the ingredients so you guys know what ingredients we have. Okay, so we need some garlic salt, which I don't have garlic salt, so we're doing garlic and salt. And just for some seasoning or flavor, we have a little bit of red bell pepper, a little bit of onion, and some celery. That's going to be in our stuffing. We're going to add cream cheese to that. And then that's all the inside. And then we're going to stuff these crescent rolls that you can just get in the refrigerator section of the grocery store. After we stuff the rolls, we're going to dip the rolls in butter and breadcrumbs and bake them. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to shred chicken. When you shred chicken, just kind of start by cutting it up. And if you actually figure out, if you actually figure out how to kind of cut against the grain, it'll shred a little bit easier, but we'll just kind of cut it up into small pieces, because that's just what we need, is just small pieces. All right, we went ahead and we shredded the chicken. As you can see, if you have a hard time shredding it, just cutting it into little pieces is perfectly okay. So now we are going to grab some butter and put about 2 tablespoons of butter on high heat in our pan. And we want that to melt a little bit. Once that is a little bit, the bottom of the pan is covered with some melted butter. You can have that butter continue to melt, but we're going to add our peppers and onions. And our celery in there. And we're going to cook that until it's a little bit softened. Takes about 2 minutes for it to soften up, and you'll kind of know because the colors of the peppers and the celery will get a little bit brighter, and the onions will kind of go clear. Okay, so the celery, onions, and peppers are looking really good. They look nice and soft. I'm going to turn off the heat and add the chicken into that. Stir it up. At this point, we'll add some salt. Probably about a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. I don't know how fast this comes out, so we're going to dump it into the lid. And then I'll just take a pinch of garlic powder, a couple pinches, and just sprinkle it in so we don't get too much. Stir that around. Next, we're going to add a 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Stir that up. Just work it into the chicken mixture. We're almost there, almost all incorporated. Okay, we'll add a little bit of pepper. Okay, for the next step, we're going to go back over to the counter. We're back over here at the counter, and we've got our chicken mixture right here. What we're going to do is take these crescent rolls and stuff them with our chicken mixture. And then we'll dip them in butter and breadcrumbs, and I'll show you how to make breadcrumbs when we get to that point. So the funnest part is opening these crescent rolls, right? Okay, yep, there we go. So there are 8 in each roll. You just unroll them, kind of break them apart. You kind of see how they're, where the seams are, and break them apart. Are you going? Okay, so take a little bit of your mixture, put it in your crescent roll. And then we just roll it up. And you pinch the edges over so it's all sealed around your chicken. And there's one little crescent roll, okay? So then you're gonna do that with all of your mixture. I have 3 rolls here. I don't know if it'll take 2 or 3, but we will keep rolling. I'll show you one more so you have it down. You roll it up and pinch the sides down so it's all enclosed. There's one more. Okay, so I will keep doing this. I'm all done rolling the crescent rolls. So here's the chicken crescent rolls all done on the pan. Now all we have left to do is roll them in butter and breadcrumbs. So I'm going to teach you how to make breadcrumbs from just a bag of bread. What you'll need is a bag of bread and a blender. And just put your bread in the blender. Let the blender do the work. You can also do this with crackers or croutons or whatever type of bread product you have. I've done it with like goldfish crackers or Ritz crackers or saltines. Croutons, I've done it with all those things and it turns out fine. So then if it gets stuck like it did, then I just take it off and shake it up. Put it back down. So we'll start with this much. Okay, just dump your breadcrumbs out into a bowl. All right, this part, I just use my hands, and they're clean because I always wash and wash and wash my hands when I'm cooking. But just dip it into the butter, roll it, and then dip it into the breadcrumbs. And if you want one hand for your butter and one hand for your breadcrumbs, then maybe it'll just be a little bit less messy, okay? And this just makes it taste super buttery and just super yummy. This is the perfect little main dish for you to have, and then you can add, you know, like a vegetable and a fruit to go with it, and you have a complete meal. My kids like broccoli, so we'll probably do broccoli with ours tonight. They're all rolled and dipped in breadcrumbs and butter. Now we're going to put them in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I don't think they're done yet. They're not done yet. Back in the oven. Okay. Ooh, not 50 minutes. Wow. Okay, that's much better. So when you take them out of the oven, they should be a little bit crispy and a little bit golden brown, and they look perfect. Here are delicious chicken crescent rolls. Yummy to have for a snack or dinner.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.
Bon appetit!